Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a credit card to Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and select Linked Banks. Here, check whether you see the Link Credit Card option. If you see Link Credit Card, simply tap on it and continue to the next step. However, if you only see Link Debit Card, you'll need to add a debit card first. Cash App requires a Link debit card before it allows you to add a credit card. Once your debit card has been added successfully, the Link Credit Card option will become available. Now, tap Link Credit Card. Before you continue, keep in mind that Cash App typically charges a 3% fee when you send money using a credit card. Debit card transactions generally do not have this fee. After that, enter your credit card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. Once you've filled in all the required information, tap the Link Card button. Cash App will verify your card, and if everything is correct, your credit card will be added to your account and ready to use. And that's it! So that's basically how you can add a credit card to Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.